Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel again. In today's video we're gonna go ahead and discuss about how to solve extremely laggy or slow and responsive issues from your Xiaomi Redmi devices. Now honestly saying though, for using your device time to time, your device can get slow and can have some lagging issues, but with a little bit of help you can fix this issue once for all. Now of course you have to be a little tricky to do this. Okay, now the very first and easy things that you gotta do, just go ahead and simply tap on your recent button right here, and then it's gonna give you all of this recent application that you have opened it up. Okay, now if you are running too many background application on your Xiaomi devices, then there will be possibility to get lag. Okay, now you simply can remove all of those at once just by tapping or pressing on this cross icon, and then it's going to remove all of this background application, and it will make your device a little faster than before. Now let's go ahead and talk a little about the next process. In the next process, all you guys have to do, just go ahead and give a force restart on your Xiaomi devices to fix your slow or unresponsive or lag issues. Okay, now to do it, of course, all you have to do, just go ahead and press down your power button and keep it holding unless or until you see that Redmi logo come on your devices. Okay guys, now after giving a forced restart on your device, now next things you have to do, a little bit of tweak up a setting on your devices. Now to do this process, to simply just go ahead and open up your settings. Now scroll down here and open up your additional settings, and now find out your accessibility. Now once you're here, once again scroll down to the bottom and simply choose this option called touch and hold delay. Okay, now let's say you are trying to open up an application but it takes much of a time to open it. Now just simply come to here and then choose this option and simply choose it medium. Okay, now if you're going to choose medium, then it's going to go ahead and open your application as soon as you touch on that application to open it. Okay, now right afterward guys, now let's go ahead and simply give it a check whether your problem is being solved by now or not. If not, check out the next process to fix your problem. The next way is to freeing up your storage. Okay, if you have less storage on your devices, then this problem can happen. Now the first work you want to do, just simply open up your settings and then tap your about phone and simply choose on your storage. Tap on there. Now this is going to give you the section. Scroll down one more time and tap cleaner. Once you've done that, it's going to take all of your trash or your unnecessary files which you might have on your devices, will be found right here. Simply tap clean up and it's going to delete all of those to free up some of the storage on your devices. Okay, so in that way you'll be able to free up your storage, and hopefully that will help you to fix your problem as well. Even after doing this process, if you want to get more storage, all you guys can do, you simply can delete some of this application that you might have installed on your device and you don't use them at all. Simply go ahead and delete those applications in order to get some of the free storage. Right afterward, you'll be able to fix that problem and your slow and lag issue will be solved right after that. Okay, alright guys, even after doing this process, if you're still having the same problem, you can simply check out the next process, which is the factory reset. Now you can do it on your device. Of course, we have a dedicated video about that on how you can do it. We will give you the video link in the description below. You can check it out to do this process. So that's all about it guys, and this is how you can make your device a little faster, and this is how you can solve your slow and laggish problem. Okay, hope this video is useful. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you all later.